This is a video reply, once again, somebody that asked a video for this of the Sunbeam Centurion smoke detector. It's made in the mid to late 70s. It's a huge unit. Comes off of a mounting bracket. So there's really not much to see because you can't take it apart. You're not supposed to. And your 9-volt battery's in there. And in a minute here, I'm going to give you a test and let you know how it works. That red thing you're looking at right there on the detector is not a test button. It's actually a flag that drops down to let you know the battery has been removed. And to test this detector, I use the good old cigarette.